Don't touch nothing.
Don't touch nothing. I got the message loud and clear. Bye.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't realize you were out there.
About to pinch my horse.
Sorry.
Wow, that was close. That one time you were really close to the wall.
Yeah.
And I mean really close.
I could tell. I was like, like they have those noodles out there so you can hit them. And I was trying to do that, but that's why I backed out a little bit because it was coming up real quick. So when I backed out, it kind of like kept me this way a little bit more. But yeah.
Yeah, well, when you come around, it had to be good because we were losing really good sight of it. Like, man, there ain't no wasted
Yeah. Yep.
You drive however you want. I'm along for the ride. I'm good, all right?
All right.
You do whatever you want to do.
I'll go as hard as I can then.
You go as hard as you want to go. You break me in from the start.
All right.
You're warmed up. You're juiced up. You hammer down, driver. I'm along for the ride.
Okay. 10-4. Ready?
Yep. Drive as fast as you want.
You can leave that up. Still feeling okay? Stomach and head is good?
What?
You feeling okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm feeling perfect. I ain't feeling anything. It's like, I'm gonna try to talk Gene into coming out.
Alright. I'm gonna do one more in this line, then I'm gonna hop off.
Okay. I'll hang out as long as you want to. Whenever you want to go in, just go in. When you're first in line with this one, you feel like you're running single file any by yourself, right?
Yes, I just gotta try my best to keep a good line. There's a certain way you should drive, keep a good line, and just keep moving. So if I spin out or slow down too much, it'll mess up the rest of the What'd you think?
Fantastic.
So you gonna get a drift car now? Alright. You nervous?
Yes.
Are you scared?
Yes.
You trust me?
I don't know.
Well, I haven't wrecked yet.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
Don't do it this time.
No, I'll do my best not to. You ever go drifting yourself before? Like in the snow or anything?
I mean, we did donuts, if that's what you call it.
Well, I mean, that works too. Yeah.
But no, nothing else.
Do you do donuts in your Firebird?
I don't know. I did or not. I don't remember.
I feel like you gotta in that thing.
Actually, my 280Z was faster.
Really?
Yes.
The Firebird was turbo though, right?
Yeah.
Was the 280Z?
No.
Oh, interesting.
Well, I think that the Trans Am, it would shut down like when you got to like 90 or 100 or something. It would go faster.
Okay. But the Nissan would just keep going.
Yeah.
Interesting. Which you liked your Firebird or your Trans Am more? Or did you
Oh,
like,
yeah.
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 Why? Just because of how it looked and everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Another one, or do you want to go with other cars, or do you want to go off?
More like that.
One more like that? Not too bad.
No.
You want your so now you get to tell all your coworkers you went drifting.
They know I'm crazy.
Fist bump me. There you go.
It really wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
No, it's not. No. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, thanks for coming along. I know it was like Frank's mission after he came along with me. He's like, I'm going to get Gene to do it. I'm like, alright, that's fine with me, man.
Well, what can you tell me? It's not bad. Oh, it's not bad. Okay. It looks a lot worse than I think it is. All right. Are we next?
Yep. Ready?
Okay. Wow, that was a good run, Alan. That was a good run.
Do you want to do one in the party line, or are you done?
I think I'm done.
You're done?
I
You
am
sure?
done. I am sure.
Okay.
Yeah. My stomach's just, and I'm not sick or anything.
Yeah, that's fine.
But it was doing the little loopy moves.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so glad. I was not planning on doing this, but I kept telling Tina that she goes, I'll go.
Yeah.
So, that's funny. Well, thank you.
Yeah, thanks
This
for
was